Hi, I'm Kristin Omdahl and welcome back to my studio. In this series of videos, I'm going to show you video tutorials for all of the projects in my newest book, 80 Handmade Gifts. In this book, you'll find projects for cooking, crocheting, knitting, sewing, and so much more for giving handmade gifts year-round. Only 5 ingredients, no baking, and it takes less than 10 minutes to make a whole batch. These energy balls include the flavors of baklava, my all-time favorite dessert. At about 150 calories per ball, these are a healthier indulgence than traditional baklava. Let's get started. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, leave me a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. See you in the next video.